Hello, everyone. My name is Adam. Today, I will tell you about going to a restaurant. This video is perfect for beginner English learners. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today is Friday evening. I finish work at 5 o'clock. I feel tired, but I am also hungry. I do not want to cook at home today. I decide to go to a restaurant. I call my friend Omar. I say, "Hello, Omar. Do you want to eat at a restaurant tonight?" Omar says, "Yes, great idea. Let's go." I go home first. I wash my face and change my clothes. I check my wallet. I have enough money. I put on my shoes and take a taxi. The ride takes about 10 minutes. I arrive at the restaurant. It looks clean and welcoming. There is a sign above the door. It says, "Green Table Restaurant." I walk inside. The restaurant is warm and quiet. Small candles are on every table. Soft music is playing. It feels very comfortable. A waiter comes to greet me. He says, "Good evening. Welcome. How many people?" I say, "2 people, please. My friend is coming soon." Omar arrives 5 minutes later. He waves at me and smiles. We are both happy to be here. The waiter brings 2 menus. A menu is a list of all the food and drinks in the restaurant. I open my menu and look carefully. There are many choices. I say to Omar, "I will have pasta and a bowl of soup, and water, please." The waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?" We both give our orders. He says, "Your food will be ready in about 20 minutes. While we wait, Omar and I talk. We talk about our week, our work, and our plans. It is nice to relax with a friend. The waiter brings water and a small basket of bread. I take a piece. It is warm and soft, very tasty. After 20 minutes, the food arrives. The waiter places the dishes carefully on the table. He says, "Enjoy your meal." My soup is hot and red. It smells amazing. I take a spoon and taste it. It is delicious. Then I eat my pasta. The pasta is soft and the sauce is rich. I eat slowly and enjoy every bite. Omar says, "This chicken is so good, very tender and juicy." I say, "My pasta is excellent too." When we finish the main food, the waiter comes again. He says, "Would you like to see the dessert menu?" We both say, "Yes, please." My fruit salad is fresh and colorful. Strawberries, mangoes, oranges, and grapes. Omar's chocolate cake is dark and rich. He says, "This is amazing." After dessert, we feel full and happy. I call the waiter. I say, "Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?" The waiter brings the bill. The total is $35. Omar says, "Let me pay half." We each pay our share. I say to the waiter, "Thank you. The food was very good." The waiter smiles and says, "Thank you for coming. Please come again." We walk out of the restaurant. Outside, the night air is cool and fresh. Omar says, "That was a great evening." We shake hands and say goodbye. I take a taxi home. On the way, I feel warm and satisfied. Good food, good conversation, good evening. That was Adam's evening at the restaurant. Today, you learned words like restaurant, menu, waiter, order, and bill. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more easy English lessons. Goodbye.